Welcome to CDL training at 160 Driving Academy. We are thrilled to have you join our training driver community. We are committed to you and your training experience and are here to help you achieve your dream as a licensed commercial truck driver. At 160 Driving Academy, every big journey starts with one simple step, saying yes to your future. And now is the time to start moving toward that brand new career. We will begin with theory training if included in your training program. In the classroom, you'll build the knowledge, confidence, and foundation you need. From there, 160 Driving Academy helps keep the process moving by submitting your required training provider registry. If you have not already provided 160 Driving Academy with a copy of your Department of Transportation physical, you'll complete one to make sure you're physically ready to hit the road ahead. Next comes permit testing, if applicable. This step requires passing a written knowledge exam on general trucking, air brakes, and combination vehicle, all topics that were covered in your theory classroom content. Once you earn your commercial learner's permit from your state's Department of Motor Vehicles, you will send a copy to 160 Driving Academy for your student record and get ready for the next exciting phase of your journey. As you prepare for the hands-on training portion, you'll complete your Department of Transportation drug screen. By law, the DOT-mandated drug testing requires CDL drivers to undergo a 5-panel urinalysis for marijuana, cocaine, amphetamines, opiates, and PCP. Passing the drug screen gives you the momentum to participate in yard, range, and road training. This is where everything starts to come together. You'll build real-world skills, gain confidence behind the wheel, and see just how far you've come. Depending on your program, this phase may vary in length, but every minute is designed to prepare you for success. As you train, 160 Driving Academy continues supporting your journey by submitting your required TPR range and road information. When you're ready, we'll schedule your CDL skills exam, including the pre-trip inspection, skills test, and road test. We will be right there cheering you on. This is your moment to show the testing agent what you have mastered. And if things don't go perfectly the first time, don't let that stop you. Most of our programs include limited remedial training hours to help you keep improving and keep pushing forward. Because success isn't always about getting it right the first time. Sometimes it's about not giving up. When you pass your CDL exam, it's more than just a test result. It's proof that your hard work, determination, and commitment paid off. Next, you'll obtain your official CDL from the state DMV and provide a copy to 160 Driving Academy for your file. Then comes one of the best moments of all, receiving your 160 Driving Academy graduation certificate. That certificate represents more than finishing a program. It represents the start of a new opportunity. And if you need it, 160 Driving Academy can also provide you a transcript upon request. From there, our job placement team works with you to help connect you with employment opportunities and any support needed for your next step into the industry. The team can provide you with resources and assistance with resumes and practice interviews. Because the goal isn't just graduation, it's getting you on the road to a real career. At 160 Driving Academy, your journey is about more than learning to drive. It's about building confidence, creating opportunity, and taking control of your future. From your first day of training to your first day on the job, we're with you every step of the way. 160 Driving Academy. Train here and drive your future.